Hello beautiful blockchain people. Today let's have a look at the price chart of Ethereum. This is the monthly chart. The current price is $2,559.80. So to some extent we're very familiar with the price chart of Ethereum in the major time frames. I analyze it, let's say, at least once, sometimes twice a month. So let me remind you that last year we had a solid price increase in the first half, followed by a long leg dodge. Then we had some kind of correction or consolidation. Then after this hammer, we had a solid rebound. The price skyrocketed. It posted a sequence, let's say, of new all-time highs. And as we know, at the end of the year, the correction started in the cryptocurrency market. We have this correction in the price chart of Ethereum as well. And since then, the price has been under the bearish pressure. Let me remind you that here in this is November, this is the candlestick for December. We had a bearish engulfing. So it's a common bearish candlestick formation. We used to talk about it. We were able to spot it immediately. It was in the middle in December when it was forming and we were able to see it. Since then, the price has been, let's say, declining. But here we had some kind of rebound. Let me remind you that this small candlestick in February had a local high below the previous ones, but it had a local low above the previous one. So that was a small bullish signal pointing to a potential consolidation. And I would like to say that it seems that we're still in this consolidation. Although, let me highlight that here we had a sequence of candlesticks with higher highs and higher lows, but the situation started changing at the end of the previous month because we had another bearish engulfing. So the bearish candlestick for April covered with its body, the body of the previous candlestick or the candlestick for March. Of course, it's not the perfect bearish engulfing. I used to say that this local high is above this one, this local low is above this one, but the body is bearish one, and of course it covers with its body, this candlestick, the previous one. That's why it's some kind of bearish engulfing, and the bulls have to be really very cautious. Moreover, we're, let's say, in the first third of this month, and we already have a local low below the previous one. So this is a small bearish signal, and we have to be really very cautious and to keep an eye on this candlestick. So this is in the monthly chart. Now let's have a look at the weekly chart. Okay, this is the weekly chart. This is the solid price increase that took place in the first half of 2021, followed by some kind of correction. Then the price rebounded. It posted another local high, or actually all-time high. Then the correction started, so that was in the middle of November. We had a hammer candlestick here within this, let's say, local low, a price rebound followed by another correction. Then the local low, this local low is at the level of this one, and now we're at this level. So to some extent it is some kind of support, but also it is a very critical moment for the price chart of Ethereum because we're at the level of these two local lows. Here we had a price increase if we have a look at the candlesticks. But since then, since actually the end of March, there has been a sequence of bearish candlesticks with lower highs and lower lows. So this is a signal or a sign that the bears are controlling the market, and we have to be really very cautious. Moreover, we've been talking about this potential ascending channel. So let me switch to the linear chart again. So this is the potential ascending channel or uptrend, because we still have this sequence to some extent of higher lows and higher highs. But now the price is testing the validity, let's say, of this potential ascending channel. That's why the bulls have to be really very cautious, because it is a critical moment for the price chart of Ethereum. Of course, if at some point of time we see a rebound and the price returns to this channel, so it will validate the potential renewal of this uptrend. But at the moment, once again, the price is declining. That's why the bulls have to be really very cautious and to keep an eye on the price chart. Next, let's have a look at the daily chart. This is the daily chart. We have three moving averages. The price is below all these three moving averages, namely, it is below the 30-day moving average or the 1-month moving average. It is below the 90-day moving average or 1 quarter or 3 month moving average, and it is below the 1-year moving average. So this is a clear sign that the bears are controlling the market, and we have to be really very cautious. Of course, within this part of the chart, the price was declining. The price was below this, let's say, 2 or 3 moving averages. The situation has started improving in January, let's say, and since then the moving averages have been moving sideways, but it is still not enough for me to say that we have a small bullish signal, because the price is below these 3 moving averages. If it rebounds and it returns again above these 3 moving averages, then this scenario, or namely the continuation of this sideways movement, will become more realistic. But at the moment, I would say that the bulls have to be really very cautious, because yes, we're testing the previous local lows and we're below these 3 moving averages. That's why we have to be really very cautious. Next, let's have a look at the 4-hour chart. This is the 4-hour chart. We had a downtrend here, or a sequence of lower highs and lower lows. Then in March, the price exited this downtrend, and we were able to some extent to, let's say, spot the right moment, because here we had a sequence of local lows at the same level, or to some extent of ascending local lows. Then the price exited the downtrend. It started increasing and it posted a local high above the previous one, but now we're in the phase of correction. And actually the price is already testing the validity, let's say, of this potential ascending channel, because we are here at the lower line. The price is actually already below the lower line of this ascending channel. So it is an additional, let's say, bearish signal. So let me change the color of this circle, because the price has already exited the ascending channel and the price is below the lower line or the support line of this ascending channel. That's why it is an additional bearish signal. Yes, it may turn out that it's just a volatility and sooner or later the price will return to the ascending channel, but at the moment I would stay away from the market, because to be honest, in all major time frames I don't see any reliable bullish signals. I see some bearish signals, and it is a little bit worrisome. So yes, everything may change. I will keep an eye on the price chart of Ethereum. If I see some, let's say, reversal or potential bullish signals, I will update you. That's it for today, fellas. Thank you for watching this video. Please share your point of view as a comment below. Of course, I wish you a very wonderful day. Good luck in the financial markets, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.